Hey everybody, and welcome to my otaku corner of my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the I-58 Colle figure, which I picked up at Winter Wonder Festival earlier today. This will be the first in a series of around 5 more videos after this one, of unboxing videos that I'll slowly get out over the week, or even all tomorrow if I find the time to do it. So feel free to comment on any of the content that I throw up or any of the figures. I'll try to give my best review and make it as unbiased and legitimate as possible. But like I said, it's mainly just me kind of unboxing because I know some people just like watching unboxing videos. Obviously I don't know enough about figure creation to be able to judge massively, but I'm definitely a Colle nerd and love Colle figures, so I'm gonna unbox this I-58. So with that, I will set up my camera here and we will get started. Okay, so as you can see, we have the I-58 box right here. The front of it is her in her pose, and then it's just the same picture along the side, and on the back you can see the full size of the figure. You can see that she has the ship that she sits on right here with the broken torpedoes. It's the damaged version of her. So just kind of what she looks like when she's taken damage. And then on one last side, it's just her back side right there. And with that, let's open her up. So I've already pre-prepped this by cutting all the loose material off of it to start. And the box opens a little strangely. You open it from the top and then flip it open like so to actually get inside. And then in here is the actual figure itself. And she looks like that. Let me just get this box out of the way. There's also an instruction manual in here up below. So a couple things to keep in mind. I did pick this up at Winter Wonder Festival, so it is used, but it still looks pretty new because I've kind of seen it already and cut all the stuff. So here's what she looks like inside her box. It may be a little far away for you to actually see the full thing, but I guess I can kind of show it here. So there's what she actually looks like, all inside her box with her base and the actual ship itself with all her little small parts. Now there is a lot of parts that I need to assemble, so this will be kind of interesting, to say the least. There is an instruction manual as well, which is right here, which has all the assembly for how to assemble her. So you're going to enjoy watching me kind of assemble her and see how it all goes. Okay, so let's set the camera back up here. There we go. Sorry, it takes a little bit to try to set that up. So we'll take out piece by piece and kind of show you here. Here's the base, as you can clearly see. It's just kind of a seafloor tile. Just says Kantai Games on the back. Nothing too special about the base itself. Here's our I-58, what she actually looks like. Very nice. And she'll be sitting on a little stand, so we'll get that going in a second as well. The actual damaged ship where I-19 will sit on top there. And then I won't really go into all the details of showing this, but you have a broken torpedo, couple antennas, busted antennas, other broken, well, used torpedo looks like. A wrench, a little boat thing, another little wrench thing, and finally the plastic stand Oh, one more little plastic stand. I don't know where that one came out of. There. Alright. So now we're going to start assembling her. You get to enjoy watching. So, I will stop the video here. I will assemble her, and then we will show you the finished product. Here we go. And here she is, all complete and assembled. Now, I-58 is probably one of my favorite Concoal girls. I really do like Hibiki as well. And I've gone back and forth as to who my favorite is, but I-58's appearance and just this figure itself, I'm glad they made a figure of I-58 because I feel she's a little underappreciated in terms of the Concoal universe. It's very well done. You could see that it has a little detail right here with the torpedoes on the sides, the whole ship. I especially like the scuff marks that they put on the character, to kind of indicate the bruising. That's very well done. Hibiki's face is well done for Max Factory. Max Factory never really does a bad job when it comes to that. You got the broken torpedo, and you got the little antenna pieces in the back here that were hung up. So that's kind of cool too. Overall, it's very well done. I'm very happy with this purchase. I have no regrets. I especially also like the tints of the hair in the back here. It's very well done. I-58 is very good. I can add her to my Concoal collection, and I'm pretty happy that I'm able to do that. So, thanks guys for checking out this video. Feel free to comment. Again, I apologize for my voice. And we'll catch you in the next video for the next unboxing, and I hope you like it. If there's something you'd like to see, please feel free to leave comments in the comment section, or just feel free to tell me on Fuwa or someplace and you can get a hold of me, and I'd be more than happy to try some new video ideas. Alright guys, thanks a bunch. Catch you next time. Peace.